morning, students. This is Hasmukh Ahir. Today topic chapter 3 3.7 acceleration. In average acceleration A bar, over a time defined as change in velocity divided by time interval. Change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity upon final time minus initial time. Average acceleration A bar is equal to V2 minus V1 upon T2 minus T1. Here V1 final velocity, V2 final velocity, V1 initial velocity upon T2 minus T1 final time minus initial time, means change in velocity divided by time interval. In this case, suppose here we take one example. In first case, total time interval of this case 0 to 10 second, second 10 to 18 second, 10 to 18 second, and 18 to 20 second. So average acceleration A bar is equal to, here we know that final velocity minus initial velocity upon final time minus initial time. Final time minus initial time. So is equal to, here average acceleration is 2.4 meter per second square. Meter per second square. Again same for in first half 0 to 10 second, 0 to 10 second. Average acceleration is equal to 2.4 meter per second square, means 0 to 10 second. Average acceleration 2.4 second. Now in the next case 10 to 18 second. So in this case average acceleration A bar is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity, same. Final velocity minus initial velocity, same. Final time 18 second minus 10 second. So here is equal to average acceleration is 0 meter per second square. For particular this region 10 to 18 second constant value. So here average acceleration is equal to 0 meter per second square. Now third one, 18 second to 20 second, A bar is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon 20 minus 18. So is equal to, answer is minus 12 meter per second square. Minus 12 meter per second square. This average acceleration. For in this case A bar is equal to minus 12 meter per second square. So in the first case here we know that 0 to 10 second average acceleration is equal to 2.4 meter per second square. 10 to 18 A bar is equal to 0. 10 to 18 second in this axis. And now 18 to 20 second A bar is equal to minus 12 meter per second. Here we know that velocity is also vector quantities. Velocity is vector quantity. So average acceleration also vector quantities. Now unit SI unit of average acceleration meter per second square. Meter per second square. Now next, this is discussion about average acceleration. Now next, for instant acceleration, instantaneous acceleration for particular time interval. So here A is equal to, second is instant acceleration, A is equal to limit del time t tends to 0, limit del v upon del t. Means here we know that del v is equal to v2 minus t1 upon del t t2 minus t1. So instantaneous, in this case instantaneous, A is equal to dv upon dt. For instant case, particular time interval, instant acceleration is equal to dv upon dt. This is the equation of instant acceleration, and SI unit of instant acceleration is meter per second square. Now in this case, here we know that A bar is equal to v minus v0 upon t minus 0 for initial velocity v0 at t1 is 0. So here equation v is equal to v0 plus a t. Now in first case, position of the particle, position of the object, in first portion, first graph represent the acceleration average is positive. Average acceleration is in positive direction. Graph is displacement versus time, displacement x versus t. Again, for in the second case, displacement versus time, here average acceleration of object is negative, means average acceleration is negative. And last one, third one is average acceleration A is equal to 0 because of, here we get linear displacement, means average linearly, not any change in this portion. So A is equal to 0, means average acceleration is equal to 0. Now in second case, here this is initial velocity, final velocity versus time, means velocity versus time. In this case, here object moving in positively direction, with a positive acceleration, because here graph is velocity versus time, not displacement versus time. Okay. Now in second portion, object is moving downward to the direction, means velocity, initial velocity and final velocity means decrease in the form. In this case, second portion, velocity, object moving in positive direction, with a negative acceleration, Next, in C number figure, object moving in negatively direction with a negative acceleration. Object moving in negatively direction with a negative acceleration. Okay. Last one, figure number D. In this case, here we see that object moving in positively direction at t1 time. After this turn out in this case, this object moving in negatively direction. This object moving in negatively direction. Okay.